In this video, we will make a Halloween wall decor. Today, we've got a spectacular treat for you, as we guide you through crafting the most bewitching and whimsical paper creations, perfect for decorating your space. In this video, we'll embark on a thrilling journey into the realm of paper craft, where every fold and cut transforms simple sheets into hauntingly beautiful decorations. Create stunning Halloween crafts with color papers and cardboards. Just follow this video tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a little Halloween enthusiast, this project is tailor-made for everyone, especially the young ones, eager to add their magical touch to the festivities. Thank you so much for tuning in and joining us on this creative Halloween crafting adventure. If you enjoyed making these spooky decorations as much as we did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more exciting DIY projects, and share your fantastic creations with us in the comments below. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, happy crafting!